Every Nigerian has the right to own and acquire a property here in Nigeria. It doesn't matter where you are. So today, we'll be looking at your right as a citizen to own a land in Nigeria and its exception. My name is Amanda Gilbin, and thanks for stopping by. Every citizen in Nigeria has the right to own and acquire property by virtue of Section 43 of the Nigerian Constitution. But do you know there are exceptions? Yes, there are. First, a person of unsound mind cannot own a property. When a court has adjudged a person of unsound mind, that person is not entitled to own a property. Why? Because it is deemed that the person does not have the capacity to understand the terms of the contract. Remember, acquiring a property is more or less like a contractual agreement, and you must be of a sound mind to understand the terms of the agreement. However, there are ways or exceptions on this, and I'll discuss about that some other time. Now, the second exception is a child below the age of 21 years. And that can be found in Section 7 of the Land Use Act, where it prohibits a child of acquiring a property under the age of 21 years, except through a trustee. So, I know there was a time when everybody had it on news that Tonto Dike bought 10 plots of land for her son. Do you know the process in doing that? There's a particular process in doing that. There must be a trustee. It must be a trustee. It mustn't be in the child's name. For example, you can have it Mrs. Amanda in trust of David Gilpin. So that's the way you can acquire a property for a child, not just in his name. There's also where the property devolves on the child by inheritance. That is permissible under the law. So a child can own the property whether there's a trustee or not when it devolves to him by inheritance. For example, a parent of a child dies, and in the parent's will, the property is transferred to the child. Of course, that child can own the property. So now you know that as a Nigerian, you have a right to own and acquire property anywhere in Nigeria, except a person of an unsound mind or a child under the age of 21 years old, except he has a trust. So feel free to drop your comments or your questions, and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.